We are waiting for the verdict from Smoky Days as you look up the arena towards the pilot. There's a lot of people in Ashton Court right now. Let's harness the power of the people. Everybody cross your fingers. Everybody look up to the sky. Think green thoughts. Think about your green things. Think about... Get your canopies out. Start up your engines. Let's get the cold inflation underway. I'm joined now by Ty Bailey, Flight Director. He's going to fill us in on the situation. Going to the tour, and as a thank you, we'll send everybody that enters a special little treat at the end of the weekend. We'll take you with a special little treat. If your parents don't cheer, they have to buy you the biggest ice cream that they sell at the ice cream brand, alright? Everyone needs to cheer and make as much noise. Everybody wait for the pilot! The massive set is underway. The first balloon has gone there, heading across the city towards the Rick area. My lounger with pasture, you all supported this event. We couldn't do it without you. So thank you very much for coming. If you'd like to support the event even more, there they go. Lovely, the dragon is up in the sky. We've got a third balloon over here as well. They're all popping off now. They're all popping off. Keep counting the balloons. We want to know. Keeping off as well. Honestly, in my career, I never thought I'd say that. And there goes our friend Thatcher's in the Thatcher's balloon. Everybody give Thatcher's a big cheer! And we'll be doing that again in the arena tomorrow morning at 11 o'clock, the final Thatcher's Apple Race. Alright, there goes back. It's phenomenal, isn't it? I'm glad I'm here for this. This is absolutely incredible. Lovely to see the mass ascent going ahead. Thanks to the eco scheme. We got another Thatcher's balloon going up here at the Fiesta. Massive passenger balloons. We can see the huge Virgin balloon now taking up there. Two of them. There's the first one up. Those guys are... We got a ninja to the sky! And here they go, what is the draw message to the sky? He's going! I don't know what more we can ask for, except for a night choice. It's going to be spectacular. I saw it last night. It's absolutely incredible. Brilliant soundtrack by Joe Sims from BBC Radio Bristol, who's going to get us all counting down to the night. No, I can't wait. Are you looking forward to the night? My mind, there's not an alien in the sky. Is that really there? Can you see that, or is that just me? Is that a real alien? Good, I thought... Done for the last 46 years to stay true to the Constitution and keep this event free from everybody to attend from all walks of life. And we would love to see you. Head on over there and you will find confetti, foam machines. Is anyone staying for the night glow? Okay, maybe we'll make it happen then. 9 o'clock tonight, I'll see you there. Alright, lovely. Well, before the night glow, we've got a stamper band coming